Look at this gorgeous Doberman. 13-week-old Gunny von Prufenpuden. Amazing, beautiful dog, amazing pedigree, training, development at this early age, already rocking it. Got us a bad guy out here making some noise, trying to freak him out and scare him, and I don't believe it's going to work. So this tarp on the ground, that's just to help with insecure footing. We want to make sure nothing bothers him. So noises, insecure footing, chase it, grab it, grip it. Look at the intensity and the power in that grip. So calm, confident, hard, crushing grip. So Eric's making a lot of noise, really jazzing it up here. Clatter stick, noise, noise, noise. And once again, just early development and training. So what do these videos show you, the consumer, someone interested in buying a Doberman? It shows you temperament, character, confidence, early development and training. We know how to raise Dobermans here at Protection Dog Sales. All you have to do is look at our YouTube videos and see hundreds and hundreds of videos of us developing Dobermans at all ages. Look at that re-grip. Hard, full crushing. You don't have to know much about Doberman temperament to know that when they're hard, they're full, and they're calm, that shows what's going on inside the brain. So once again, Gunny von Prufenpuden, 13 weeks old. This is a dog available for purchase and advanced development and training. So you buy him now, leave him here with us. We've got the equipment, we've got the staff, we've got the knowledge, and we will develop and raise this dog to fit your exacting situations. Kids, cats, kittens, and puppies. You want a Doberman that swims, so we figured out how to teach them that. Look at that confidence right there, going over the top of that noisy can. So those are just good indicators of what it's like. Check out our website, guys, Protection Dog Sales. We've got a couple of his brothers and sisters listed for sale. It's a beautiful litter, super dogs, one and all. So I hope you enjoy watching a little video of Gunny von Prufenpuden. A lot more to come.